Hey guys, Cody with Flynn's Painting TV. This is a huge house I am doing in Fletcher, North Carolina, with a company named Asheville Painting and Decorating. I am working solely under them on this project, and it is a pleasure to be here, and I'm hoping for a lot of production. You've seen the downstairs. Here's the mid-floor. That's packed out 4 or 5 times, that crown molding, round trim with the accent, and here's a guest bedroom here. It's got a master bath and a little living room. And now we're headed up the stairs. Nice stained grade stairs. And yeah, we're going in all these rooms, and there's a lot more rooms that I'll show you here, but this is the gist of the area. Here's a game room upstairs. Here's the living area, dining area, and now we're going to go down the hall. And here is another bathroom and a 2-car garage. Hopefully I'll be able to take some more pictures and keep you guys tuned. This is day 1. We got a lot of patchwork done. We got to do this downstairs in 11 days. There's a pool table room. Here's a master bedroom, master bathroom, master closet, small dining room, and these windows and trims are going